This wall's been taking a beating, so the work order is going to put up a wall bumper rail guard. Gonna go ahead and speed up the time. What happens is the employees like to have chairs up against the wall, and they sit there, and the back of the chair rubs up against the wall, and eventually just burns a hole through it. Here we go. We've already gone through and drilled holes for the brackets for the rail bumper to hang on. Did about 18 inches. These are half-inch holes, spaced pretty much evenly. It's a 12-foot section of rail bumper guard going in. The half-inch holes are to accommodate a toggle type fastener. These are similar to never drop toggles. The beauty of a system like this is that you don't have to repaint the wall. The wall guard will just go right over the wall damage and prevent any further wall damage. So it is a good tip to know. We will go ahead and finish or start and finish putting up the brackets here. I'm not affiliated or sponsored by anybody. I'm a brand new channel. I will, however, put a link in the description on this product that I'm installing. And if you would, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one. And then just push down.